Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make round-based zombies in Fortnite. First, open Fortnite Creative and select a blank island template. Next, navigate to the Devices tab and place a creature spawner. This device is crucial for generating your zombie enemies. Adjust its settings to control the number of creatures per wave, their health, and the spawn interval. We'll cover more specific configurations shortly. Now, let's dive deeper into the creature spawner settings. For endless rounds, set total spawns to infinite. Increase the spawn count value to make each subsequent round more challenging. The spawn radius determines how far from the device zombies can appear, so choose an appropriate size for your map. Remember to also set the creature type to Fiend or Cube Monster for the zombie aesthetic. To manage round progression, you'll need a round settings device. This device allows you to define what happens at the start and end of each round. Link your creature spawners to the round settings device using channels to activate new waves. Incorporate a score manager to track how many zombies players eliminate, which can be used to trigger the next round or award points. This creates a clear objective for players. For a more engaging experience, consider adding advanced mechanics. Place health power-up devices that activate after certain rounds or when players are low on health. Use weapon granters to give players new weapons or ammo at the start of each round, encouraging progression. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Experiment with different device combinations to create unique zombie challenges and keep players coming back for more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.